welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial I'm going to teach you how can we make these super beautiful and amazing bracelets. These bracelets are super easy to make. I have used a memory wire to make these bracelets and a little hanging over here. You can make many colors you wanted to. Here, let me show you some of the ones I have made. Gray and blue is the pastel blue. All colors are pastel actually. Green and purple. It's peach and gray. Then we have this darker blue and pastel green, sea green actually, and it's light blue and red, peach and green, and my favorite, it's kind of like a mustard and yellow, or mustard and brown, I don't know, I'm colorblind. Anyways, so let's get started with the video. If you like this video tutorial, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's go and make these. For this you will need some 3mm golden beads, some doggler locks, or the simple clasp lock you can use. Some of these I don't know what you call it, I have just bought it from a craft shop. This part right here, normally you can find it in jewelry making findings. I don't know what you specifically call this thing, but you will need this, okay? Then you will need a ball head pins. You can use the flat nail head pins as well. You will need 6mm pearls, some jump ring, and one of the flat nail pin. You will need 4mm of any two different colors or single color if you wanted to make it in a single color. It depends on you. So I'm going to use the tussle of darker blue. No, I think I should go for the lighter blue, the tussle, and the main color is going to be my darker blue. Okay, so let's get started. First you will need to take your memory wire, and now what you have to do, you have to cut the memory wire. Okay, so this is how the memory wire looks like. Now I'm going to cut right from these two ends will meet for the regular size bracelet. If you wanted to make a bigger size, you have to make sure that you cut more wire depending on what size you are making. So now you're going to take your memory wire and you are going to take your round nose plier, and then you're going to make a little this what do you call it, loop to the end, and make sure you press it from your flat nose plier so this loop will get properly closed like that. And now we're going to start adding the beads. So I'm using a main color. First I'm going to take my main color, insert the bead in. Let me adjust my camera. So I'm going to add my main color first, and then I'm going to take my 3mm golden bead. I'm going to take my color P, which is the lighter blue. I'm going to add that, one bead of that. I'm going to add one more golden bead. And now I'm going to add 40 of these beads. Now it's my countings. If you wanted to make a size bigger or smaller, depends on you. I'm just sharing my idea with you all, okay? I'm going to add the beads, 40 of those. After adding 40 beads, we're going to add the golden 3 mm bead, color B, which is the lighter one, and other golden bead, and our blue bead, color A, like that. And now we have to make the knot, fold here as well. So I'm going to make a loop like that. And now you can add your lock. So I'm going to remove this main color first. Let me keep it aside. Now we are going to take our jump ring. I'm going to take where is my jump ring opener? Insert your jump ring, add in your lock, close your jump ring. Now to the other side, add the second part of the lock. If you are adding the clasp lock, you have to add one side the clasp lock and other side is going to be jump rings. And then close. And there you have your lock. Ta-da! You can simply wear it like that as well if you wanted to, but I'm going to add tassel. So let's make tassel. To make that, you are going to take your ball head pins, and these are 40 mm long. I'm going to add 8 of these beads into it. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8. And now we are going to take our nose plier, fold, make a loop, and then you're going to take this and pass it through this hole and close. And now I'm going to keep adding these, but I'm not going to add into each and every hole here. I'm going to leave one hole and then add into the next one, because if I'm going to add in all of these, this tassel is going to be huge and I don't want that. So I'm going to keep adding, and I'm going to fast forward this video so we'll save some time and you guys will not get bored. So till I'm making these, don't forget to subscribe. I'm saying this again and again. I don't know why. I sometimes hate myself for saying this. Fold and take your piece and skip one hole, and into the next one add your tassel. Okay, I am blind actually. Sometimes I don't see properly. Okay, so I'm going to keep doing this till I make this all the way around. I'll be back soon. Ta-da! This piece is ready. Now you're going to take your flat nail pen and you're going to add the same color bead into this pin. Now we're going to flip it over and we're going to insert this nail right into the center. And now at the top we are going to add our 6 mm pearl like that, and your tassel is almost ready. Now fold, cut the excessive nail, then rotate back and make a loop, and you are going to take your jump ring, open your jump ring into this tassel right here. And now we are going to take our piece. I'm going to add into this part. You can add it to the left or right or whatever part you like, whatever side you like. So this is it. Here is this beautiful bracelet is ready. I hope you have enjoyed today's video tutorial. For more videos, don't forget to, okay, I have already said that many times in this video. Take care everyone. Bye.